Hello, my name is Jehezkiel Marciel Maelissa. This is my research proposal for this is my research proposal assignment for research methodology. So the proposed topic I am going for is the analysis and design of relational database for administrative and academic aiding. The background of my research proposal uh, as goes. So technology has evolved and affected so much of our lives, from simple machines to electronics with unimaginable features, and it has changed lives, some for the better and some not so much. And also, it has been advantages for education in every aspect, especially the higher ups in the academic section. And what I mean by the higher ups is maybe the academics office and administrative and departments office and such. And why is that? It's because the academic office and the administrative office, it holds a bunch of data, and the data that consist here are comprised of data of the students, lecturers, and staff, and whatsoever, and it deals with their personal information and their public information as well. And ton of because of the density of data that consists inside uh, this, a fast and systematic and accurate administrative and academic management services are very much needed. So, firstly, moving on, continuing of the background is the institutions and agencies need a good and fast service quality. The convenience and maximum results become one of the main priorities of institutions and such. And then places with good and fast service quality are always a preference. Like any other habit, the common citizen prefers a place to go because of the quality of the service that place offers. Like common sense, because if you want to go to a place, you will definitely choose one that serves you well, a place that has brilliant service. And yeah. So continuing on to the background, the computers that is why the computerization of academic and administration office should be standard, because it makes everything more convenient and neat. The computerization and academic and administration offices are important and should be standard issue everywhere. It makes everything convenient and neater. So to give an example, information systems in schools are basically a subsystem of management information that is used to solve issues regarding information accuracy, readiness, and information services regarding management systems, and they are comprised of data collection, data manipulation, data storing, and report filing. Okay, so continuing on the background, in the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, the data management still uses Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel for the most part. Uh, and the data is gathered and collected through conventional means of pen and paper. So it's basically how the data is collected in the faculty is uh, using conventional methods such as books and handwritings, and then after they will transfer it to the softwares that was mentioned before. So um, such managements are still relatively untidy and all over the place, and it gives the academic department quite a hard time to process the data and file reports, especially if a piece of the information had to be passed from the office, or in this case the academic and administrative offices, and then it has to be passed on to the intended subjects, such as the students, the lecturers, or the staffs, uh, but it never reached them. That could be a problem. So how can this be solved? This can be solved by building a relational database. The database will connect to each other and process any kind of data related to the faculty, be it managing data of a new undergraduate yearly class, regular students, lecturers, or staffs, and creating a fast and feasible means of management. This will be, and this relational database will be vital to accommodate any process or vital information regarding administrative and academic purposes. Moving on, so then the research problem pops up. How can the research problem is how can the analysis and design of relational database for administration and academics in Faculty of Natural Sciences at Universitas Gadjah Mada minimize the errors and increase the effectiveness and efficiency in data processing and management? Okay, and the research scopes of the scope of the research that is proposed is means of the study of it revolves around the study of relational database and the administrative and academic data used in faculty of mathematics and natural sciences, and the data is comprised of daily, weekly, and monthly data that is used here in this faculty. So the objective of this research is to analyze the prerequisites of creating and designing a relational database in the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, and to design a database for processing and managing academical and administrative data in the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences here. Okay, so the advantages of the research is it it will be able to broaden the knowledge, and it will share my personal experience of creating and designing in the field of system information. Also, it will ensure a safer and rapid data collecting, fetching, and saving, and it will create a faster and a more efficient system for reporting and filing information based on the barriers that has been explained before. So that is the first chapter of my research proposal, and that is all my assignment. Thank you very much, and subscribe.